Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? I'm Sohaib and you're watching Zebi Association YouTube channel. So viewers, in this video we will discuss the lab number 4 of water supply and waste management. In this lab we will discuss study of rain gauges. So let's start our today video. Rainfall gauges. A rainfall gauge is simply an instrument that is designed to measure the amount of rain that reaches the ground surface during storm. Rainfall gauges are considered the most traditional method for measuring rainfalls. So you see a rain gauges on screen. Select and then selections of site for rain gauges. First, site should be in level ground, and second, the nearest object from the rain gauges should be kept at a distance of twice the height of the object, and third, the site should be an open space. Site should be away from continuous wind forces. The site should be accessible, and fifth point is the gauge should be truly verticals. Types of rain gauges. There are different types of rain gauges. The first one is non-recordings or ordinary rain gauges, and second, automatic or recording rain gauges. There are only two types of rain gauges. First of all, we explain the first types of rain gauges, non-recording gauges. These are basic storage devices that measure the cumulative amount of rain. A common types of these gauge called Finch Standard Rain Gauge, which has been used for weather offices of US National Weather Services (NWS) for over 100 years. The standard gauge is simply a large cylinder with a funnel and a plastic measuring tube in the cylinder. The collector rain is then measured by means of graduated cylinders so as to directly represent the rain volume in centimeters water depth. And the types of non-recording rain gauge. Further types of non-recording rain gauge is first is semi rain gauge. Most common types of non-recording gauge consist of cylindrical vessels 5 inches dia with a bar enlarged to 8 inches dia. Capacity of bottle is 7.5 to 100 millimeters rainfalls or 10 centimeters. Water contained in the bottles is measured by suitable graduated measure glass with accuracy up to 0.1 millimeters. Recording rain gauge. Set or automatic rain gauge. Gauge which can give permanent and automatic rainfalls recording without any bottles reading. There is no need to measure the amount of rain fallen. There is a mechanical arrangement by which the total amount of rain fallen since the record was started gets recorded automatically. Recording rain gauge consists rotating graph paper fixed around it, and types weighing buckets rain gauge, second tipping bucket rain gauge, and third floor types rain gauge. First explain weight bucket rain gauge. Weight bucket type rain gauge is most common self-recording rain gauge. It consists of receive bucket supported by the spring or lever balance or other weighing mechanism. The movement of bucket due to its increasing weight is transmitted to a pen which traces record or some marking on a clock driven chart. Second, tipping bucket rain gauge. The tipping bucket performs a wide range of rainfall measurement. The receive is 200 mm in diameter. The tipping bucket measures each 0.2, 0.5 and 1 millimeters or 0.01 inches of rainfall. It could also include a siphon. Optional. Siphon is optional. That allows rain to flow at a steady rates to the tipping bucket mechanism regardless of rainfall intensity. These systems allows controls of the flow rates of accommodate precipitations. These matching geometries occurs higher levels in both accuracy and repeatabilities during periods of extremely heavy rainfall. And the last types of rain gauge is flow types rain gauge, a class of rain gauge in which the level of the collected from rainwaters is measured by the positions of a float resting on the surface of the water. This instrument is frequently used as a recording rain gauge by connecting the float through a linkage to a pan that records on a clock-driven chart. So viewers, tell me how's this videos. If you have any ambiguities, please comment me. Inshallah, I will answer your questions. If any persons who have not subscribed my channels, please subscribe my channels and click bell icon. Thanks for watching.